Hey, buddy, look at egg. Here, I'll give you this, look.
Hey, wild man.
Yum.
He's like, I'm not taking it out.
I'm Torie Hall, and I'm a holistic nutritionist.
You want some berries?
I'm the author of the Mexican Keto Cookbook and the Holistic Pregnancy Cookbook. My dad, was from an Italian family where they owned restaurants, and so I grew up in a restaurant. We made meatballs a lot with my grandfather. So this is some ground beef, pork, and then a little bit of liver. We have rice in them and cumin, some spices. Everybody was always in the kitchen. Everybody was a part of it. And if you didn't want to be a part of it, then you got to do dishes. And so it was like everybody wanted to cook, right? I have dealt with my own health struggles since I was a little girl. When people work with me, usually they come to me because they're sick. Some people, they're just trying to live healthier. We look at the whole picture together, not just from what they're putting in their mouth at their table, but also what they're cooking their food on. Toxicity is significant in cookware because anything food touches, it gets absorbed into. Xtrema products are different because they don't have a non-stick layer, they don't have a color. It's very light actually compared to like a cast iron. What I've been doing in the Xtrema skillet is sear some lamb chops and then finish them in the oven, and it's like one dish, right? So that is super convenient. Using this product has been something that's not only easy, but it's just like a part of how my kitchen works and how my family works. We've done our homework and we believe in the product, we've used it ourselves. The root of all disease is our toxic load, so if you can do something every day to reduce it, like that's better than most.
Look at what mommy has.
You want to take control of your health and change it, and you can do it.